Get the standby mode working with these helpful tips. Check if standby mode is on. Open the Settings app and go to Standby. Toggle the Standby option to enable. You can also turn on Night Mode and Always On if your device supports it. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Make sure the iPhone is set up for standby mode. For standby mode to work, your device needs to be set up correctly. First, your iPhone needs to be connected to a power source with a cable. Second, you need to position the device at an inclined angle with landscape orientation on. Turn off portrait orientation. Swipe down from the top right corner. Locate the portrait orientation icon. If it's turned on, tap on it to disable. Turn off the low power mode. In the Settings app, scroll down and choose Battery. Next to Low Power Mode, make sure the slider is gray. Force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up button on your iPhone's left side. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app and select General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and tap Reset all settings. Enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Update the iPhone. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. Use a certified cable. All Apple devices have specially made certified charging cords. The standby mode might not work if you're using another charging cable. If you want to avoid buying a new certified cable immediately, borrow it from a friend or a family member and check if it solves the problem. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.